Hello dear Librans, this is your reading for the full moon April 26, 2021. Let's see what the full moon has for you. One more time. This pink one is coming, okay. Oops. I had my eye on this pink stone that was coming. Maybe I'll pick this one. Alright. You have got the angel of energy fields and the angel of inner strength, Librans. It is very beautiful. So energy fields, I know that a lot of us are really connected to technology right now. We are just checking news all the time. We are stuck in front of the television. We are just constantly checking the phone and checking the news. It's getting a little too much. I think we all Librans, it's not just for you but for all signs, I request all of you to keep away from technology, to keep away from the news that is happening around us, and whatever negativity that is around us right now, because we need to be positive. We need to give out positive energies to our world for it to heal. And connecting, the angel of energy fields is telling you that connecting too much with technology is only going to bother you. I know it's affecting a lot of your health as well, because you are just constantly in that position of fear that this is going to happen to you or your loved ones, or you're hearing this happening to your friends as well. But you need to cut off from technology, right? Let's see what the energy of the angel of energy fields has to say. It's asking you, are you a slave to technology? Are you spending too much time on your phone, your television, news, any kind of technology? Are you being bombarded by too many magnetic frequencies, right? Because they say that you should not be sleeping with your phone switched on and in the same room, or on the bed, or whenever you are sleeping, because it says that those magnetic fields kind of lowers your immunity and affects your body's natural energies as well. So don't do that. And they also say that you should not be speaking over the phone when your phone is on charging, because the rays are extra uh, effective at that point of time. Also, they say that your eyesight gets weak if you're constantly looking on your phone, and your skin, and kind of you start aging soon, because there's constant UV rays that you're dealing with. There are UV rays in your phone as well, if you are not aware of that. So it says that amplify the protection from these draining forces by connecting with the earth. So definitely keep away your phone for a few hours, or keep away your phone at night. Just spend time with Mother Earth. Just walk barefoot on the grass, or get up in the morning, take that fresh sunlight. I think the angel of energy fields is asking you to connect more with earth, and rather than all these unnatural forces around us which man has created, right? It says take periodic breaks from electronics and re-energize yourself. Wow, this is a message for, I think, most of us Librans, not just you guys. Most of us are kind of not realizing that we are spending too much time on all these uh, electronic, and how it's affecting us. So maybe Librans, I think around the full moon, it's affecting your sign more than anybody's sign, and that's why it has come in your reading. It hasn't come till now. So the angel of energy fields also has some positive affirmation for you, which is, I am grounded and focused. I enjoy relaxing in nature to regenerate and rejuvenate my energy field. My body easily deflects electromagnetic frequencies in my environment. I balance my life with fresh air and sunshine. Like I said, go out, spend time in nature. Please keep your phones and your laptops and TV away. Do not constantly get attached to it. You don't have to monitor the news, okay? It is not a cricket test score that you need to know how many people died or how many cases are there. It's only going to affect you in very badly. It's only going to affect you very badly. You're not realizing it right now. So the angel has come to help you. Please listen to your angel. The other one is the angel of inner strength, which is asking you, do you realize that you are magnificent? Right? So there must be a lack in your life that you're feeling right now, and you need to shift your focus from that. It says, believe in your magnificence and embrace your power. Know that you are strong enough to set boundaries with others and assert yourself in a loving manner. Allow yourself to be who you truly are, a loving and magnificent being. Beautiful, beautiful message. So definitely, maybe there's somebody in your life who's constantly calling you and bothering you with all that is negative outside, and you're just maybe it's a relative or a friend or a parent or a partner who you, it's difficult for you maybe to say no to them, to give you such news. Maybe you would want to tell them that, listen, I do not want to listen to such news, and you're not able to. So you have to set boundaries with them. You have to, you are a magnificent, pure, positive being, Librans, and you can't let anybody spoil your aura with that kind of negativity. If there's somebody in your life who's calling you constantly or updating you through WhatsApp about all these news, then you need to block that person for a while, or just tell them politely that you're not interested in such news, and such news should not be forwarded to you. Or if you are constantly yourself affecting your well-being by constantly watching or monitoring the news and your through your laptop or whatever, then you need to get away with it, right? And you need to cut down on that negativity which is happening, because it is affecting you, and we can see that the angels are telling you. The positive affirmation that the angel of inner strength has for you is, it is safe for me to be powerful in loving ways. I am magnificent in every way. I have the strength to do anything I set out to do with loving intention. I am grateful for the courage to be all I can be, right? So definitely there is a kind of negativity which is affecting you right now. Maybe during the pandemic, maybe there's something that you're feeling personally. I don't know what's going on in your life, but whatever it is, you need to cut down on technology. You need to tell the people that are giving you, forwarding. A lot of people are just forwarding fake news, and just giving you updates. Okay, now so many cases are there, so many cases. What are you gonna do about it? The only thing you can do about is take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones. Avoid going out at all costs. Do not touch your things. I mean, anything which is not yours, and keep washing your hands, keep sanitizing your hands. That's all that you can do, right? What is the score outside, you don't need to know about it. You don't really, it's not necessary for you to know. News are important when there is a vaccine coming in or whatever, but you will know when you know, right? So right now, just don't focus on that. Please stay away from the news, and this is a humble request to all of you. Keep yourself as positive as possible, and say these affirmations around the full moon, so that it can help you get past through this period easily, right? So Librans, you guys take care, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.